1 in 5 SAT writing questions? Commas. No joke. And here's the wild part. There are only 4 reasons to ever use one. Learn these 4 rules, and you can crush every single comma question. Let's go. Hack number 7. The 4 comma rules. Quick myth buster. Put a comma where you pause. Nope. The SAT doesn't care about your breathing. A comma only belongs in a sentence if one of 4 rules says so. Can't name the rule? Kill the comma. That mindset alone will fix half your mistakes. Rule 1. Comma plus fanboys. For and nor but or yet so. But only when both sides can stand alone as full sentences. Quick trick. Cover the fanboys word. Do both have still work? Yes, comma. No, comma. She studied hard and she passed.
Check mark.
She studied hard and passed.
Cross mark.
No subject on the right. The SAT loves this trap. Rule 2. Interrupters get wrapped in commas. Test. Can you delete the phrase and still have a working sentence? Yes, wrap it. The scientist who won the award presented. Delete the middle. The scientist presented. Still works, check mark. Huge catch. You need both commas. One alone equals wrong. The SAT sneaks this in constantly. Rule 3. Anything before the main clause?
Comma after it.
However, the results differed. In the morning, she ran 5 miles. Having studied all night, he felt prepared. Although it was raining, they continued. If something comes before the main sentence, comma. Easy money. The SAT mistake. Forgetting the comma after that intro chunk. Rule 4. 3 plus items? Use commas between them. She was kind, comma, patient, comma, and determined. Check mark. Watch out for these traps. She was kind and patient and determined. No commas. Just a chain of ands.
Wrong.
She was kind, comma, patient, and determined. Missing comma before and SAT accepts both. But the issue is the first comma if omitted entirely. She was kind, comma, and patient, comma, and determined. Too many commas. Also wrong. Clean version. A comma, B, comma, and C. That's it. Screenshot.
This. Slide.
All 4 rules, one place. Fanboys. Both sides full sentences? Interrupter. Can you delete it? Intro. Is there stuff before the main clause? List 3 plus items in a row? Run through this checklist on every comma question. 1 rule fits, keep the comma. 0 rules fit, delete it.
Done.
Speed round. Spot the mistake.
Example 1.
The team who plays downtown have won 3 championships. Missing the second comma after downtown. Interrupters need 2 commas. Example 2. After the experiment ended, the scientists reviewed their data. No comma after the intro. Add 1 after ended. Example 3. She packed her bag and left the house. No subject after and. Kill that comma. Example 4. The report was detailed, thorough, and well-researched. 3 items, 0 commas, fix it. The report was detailed, comma, thorough, comma, and well-researched. 1 rule, 1 fix. Easy. Golden rule, write this down. If you can't name the rule, delete the comma. Random commas are always wrong on the SAT. Your process from now on: see comma question, run the 4 rules. Fanboys. Interrupter. Intro. List. 1 fits, keep it. None fit, kill it. That's it. 20% of writing handled. That's hack number 7. Fanboys. Interrupter. Intro.
List.
No rule equals no comma. You're now 7 hacks in. Only 3 left. Drop a comment. Which rule did you not know? Bet it's the interrupter one. Smash like, subscribe, and I'll see you in hack number 8. Why the shortest answer almost always wins on writing. Let's go.